Single leg version, nothing really changes. We're loading over onto one side, the knees still staying nice and soft. And the aim of the game is to ensure that we don't shift the shoulders of the weight. We're pulling in a nice straight line. Again, that knee staying nice and soft. All right, so for our back extension here, one of the key components is not locking the knees out. If we lock the knees out, we're going to tighten the low back. We're setting up on our back extension machine, shoulders and hips in a nice straight line. We're ensuring we don't start in this arched spine position. Think about a little bit of an abdominal hollow, and then retract your shoulder blades. Glutes are engaged, knees are soft. We're going to fold forward, letting the spine round as we come to the bottom, and then we're pushing the feet into the plate, squeezing with the glutes and the hamstrings to pull yourself back up tall.